Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. It's a sunny weekend, and instead of pushing a heavy mower or wrestling with extension cords, you're lounging on the porch with a book while your lawn gets a perfect trim all by itself, quietly zipping around like a high-tech puppy. Sounds like yard work reimagined, right? Well, today we're mowing down the details on the eufy robot lawn mower E18, and let me tell you, this wireless, app-controlled wonder could make your grass greener and your life lazier. If you're tired of sweaty sessions or spotty manual cuts, stick around by the end. You'll see why this mower is a backyard boss. And hey, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's roll. First, let's break down the features that make the eufy E18 a mowing marvel. This isn't your grandpa's clunky rider. It's a compact 18-inch blade model designed for lawns up to half an acre, weighing just 25 pounds for easy setup and storage. No perimeter wires needed. Use the eufy Home app to map your yard with one click, setting multi-zones for front, back, or garden edges, and it navigates with RTK GPS and 3D vision for precise paths, avoiding flower beds or toys like a pro. The built-in solar panel tops up the 5.1 amp-hour battery for up to 3 hours of runtime per charge, docking automatically to recharge and resume, perfect for medium yards without constant plugging in. The 18-inch floating blade cuts grass evenly from 1 to 3 inches high, mulching clippings back into the soil for natural fertilizer, and it's contactless with bump sensors that stop blades instantly if lifted or hit. App controls let you schedule mows, adjust heights, and get real-time progress via live view on your phone. No hub required, just Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for iOS or Android. Safety is top-notch with obstacle avoidance, pin code lock, and rain detection that sends it home before a storm. Installation takes under 30 minutes. Download the app, place the dock in a sunny spot, and let it learn your boundaries on the first run. I set mine up for a quarter-acre lot, and it mapped zones flawlessly, handling slopes up to 20 degrees without slipping. Overall, it's smart, silent at 55 decibels, and eco-friendly with no gas fumes, ideal for suburban peace. Now, onto the pros and cons, because honesty helps you decide if it's your lawn's new best friend. On the pro side, the wire-free app mapping is a huge win. No digging trenches, and multi-zone scheduling keeps sections trimmed on rotation, saving time and battery. The solar assist and long runtime crush my weekly mows in one go, and the mulching leaves no clippings to rake healthier grass with zero effort. Users love the AI navigation that dodges kids' bikes or pets, and the quiet hum won't wake neighbors. At around $800, it's a solid value for no subscription smarts, with easy blade swaps every few months and app updates keeping it fresh. Reviewers praise the even cut on uneven terrain and how it integrates with smart home routines. Bottom line, it frees weekends, greens your yard, and feels futuristic without the fuss. The cons, fairly flagged. Upfront $800 stings if you're on a tight budget, though it's cheaper than pro services long-term. For lawns over half an acre, it might need multiple charges, and thick overgrowth requires a manual trim first. The app occasionally lags on older phones, needing a restart, and while slope-proof to 20 degrees, steeper hills could challenge it. Dock placement needs good Wi-Fi signal, and in heavy shade, solar relies more on battery. Occasional plugs help. A few noted the blade guard could be tighter for ultra-sandy soils, but it's minor. These are edges, not erasers. So do I recommend the eufy E18? Absolutely, especially if you have a medium yard, hate manual mowing, and want tech that runs itself without wires or fees. The pros like easy zones and solar power far outweigh the cons for busy homeowners or eco-fans. It's a time saver that pays off in relaxation. If that's your vibe, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these yard yarns get you growing, subscribe and turn on notifications for more green gear. And click that affiliate link to keep the grass cut at no extra cost to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the eufy E18 through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this mowed down your doubts, give it a like, share with a lawn-loathing friend, or subscribe for more. Happy mowing!